Hello, welcome to uh, Virgo Philippines. Ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. By the way, pagpasensyahan mo na yung boses ko ngayon, medyo hindi ako okay. May sipon ako. But anyway, okay lang po yun. Ang importante ay yung reading. Sana makarelate ka, makaresonate ka. Pagpasensyahan mo na lang yung boses ko. Anyway, let's start your reading. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Okay. Okay, you do have here not today and passion. Okay. Okay, wait lang, may langgam na. You know. You do have here not today passion. I feel like may pag-iwas, may paglayo. This is you. Na may pag-iwas, may paglayo sa someone na might be na nakakasakit sa'yo or nasasaktan ka because of the insane emotion or chemistry na nararamdaman mo sa tao. Iniiwasan mo to taong to, pero nakikita natin mahal mo siya. You do have your paradise, so pwedeng gusto mo ng happiness niya or maybe you feel like masaya na siya, parang ganun. Or yun nga, pwedeng binibigay mo yung makakapagpasaya sa kanya and you want to be happy as well. So yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng you're moving on from something. Nilalagyan mo ng boundaries or maybe even pagbablock sa person na ito that you really do like. No? Pwedeng ayaw mo na lang rin marinig ko ano yung sasabihin nitong taong to or anyway. So, nakikita natin ito, medyo tinataasan mo yung ego mo. Sino ba itong person na ito nakakonect ni Virgo? Person nakakonect ni Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Person nakakonect ni Virgo, please work guys, angel guides, person nakakonect ni Virgo. One last shuffle. Okay. You do have the runner and engagement ring. Gusto ko i-clarify yung runner. What's with the runner? Mask. Okay. Kukuha tayo ng situation or mutual energy sa inyong dalawa. What is the situation here? Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. By the way, nakakita ko ng water sign. So, I don't know if you're dealing with the water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. Ano yung sitwasyon dito? Okay. You do have your flirt and retreat. So, there's a disconnection na nangyayari sa inyo. Pero, pwedeng ito bagong person or pwedeng recently lang or nito-nito lang. Medyo masaya naman kayo or may mga pagfa-flirt or pag-uusap na naging masaya. Pwedeng ikaw or galing sa'yo or galing sa kanya. But anyway, I can see a connection na naging okay. And then, all of a sudden, there's this disconnection or retreat na nangyayari ngayon. You're trying to disconnect from this person. Yung person na connect mo is showing as the runner. Pero, ang weird lang kasi runner siya pero ang feeling is like, parang gusto niya gusto niya makipag-commit. Gusto niya ng commitment, ng union. Pero siya yung runner eh. Sa connection, siya yung lumalayo or umiiwas din. Or maybe not trying to show his or her feelings. Hindi siya nagsasabi ng totoo regarding sa kanyang feelings. And then tendency is that maybe nakapagpagalit sa iyo to or nasaktan ka dahil dito, and because of this, parang you want to focus on yourself, on your own healing, and pwedeng, masakit para sa but you're not sure about the future, about sa inyo ng person na ito anymore, no? So, ang tendency, pwedeng masakit, ayaw mo na muna. Okay. So, itong card na ito ay nagpapapansin sa akin. So, gagamitin ko siya. Maaaring may mga messages dito. Okay, what do we have here? Messages for Virgo, please. I do have here, I left when I saw you with someone. I'm so attracted to you. It was my fault, but I blamed you. And you do have here, we both know I am not the one for you. So, maaaring ito yung mga emotion mo ngayon. Maybe some of you, you're jealous, or maybe, lalo na kung may ibang person, itong person na ito. You are attracted sa person na ito, but, alam mo yun, yung iba sa inyo, lalo na kung may person siya, it was my fault, but I blamed you. So, for me, parang feeling mo kasalanan mo na mahalin or ma-attract dito sa taong to, parang ganun. And then, ayaw mong gawin yun eh. Ayaw mong ma-attract sa kanya. Or ayaw mong mahalin siya. But you know how, you do have here, we both know I am not the one for you. So, may paglayat, may pag-iwas kang ginagawa sa person na to. I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. So, somehow, may mga naituro naman itong person na ito sa'yo. May mga nalaman ka, may mga natutunan ka spiritually. Messages. I wish I had treated you better. I feel you even though we are apart. I don't react when people mention you, and I am afraid to contact you. So, for me, it is showing as a connection wherein pareho kayong nami-misunderstood or nami-misinterpret ang bawat isa. Especially kung may pag-iiwas or running na energy na ginagawa, especially this person, na pwedeng naging dahilan para isipin mo itong mga bagay na to. Kasi, hindi siya okay kausap. Parang ganun. I wish I had treated you better. This is showing to me as yung mga ginawa niya sa'yo at hindi niya ginawa sa'yo. And there's an intense connection here. I feel you even though we are apart. So, might be kahit malayo ka ay nararamdaman ka nitong person nito. Some of you may spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa. I don't react when people mention you. So there's this reason for this person na kung bakit siya umiiwas or hindi masyadong nakikipag-communicate. Maybe it has something to do with other people. Ayan. Okay. Mutual energy, please. Mutual energy. And you do have here wedding. Clarify the wedding, please. Free yourself. Oh, so, yun nga. Maybe there's a separation or tinatry mong kontrolin muna yung buhay mo ngayon or the other way around. Pwedeng yung person mo. I can see a unicorn here. Maaaring nagawa mong umalis sa connection because it is too intense. It is too, parang imagination mo lang ba lahat? Kasi unicorn is such a myth, no? So, it is like a sign for me na might be may spiritual connection but then parang ayaw mo nang isipin na itong spiritual na connection na ito ay totoo. Maybe this is just imagination. Maybe this is just you na nag-iisip na itong person na ito. Especially, hindi siya nagiging honest. The mask is here. So, hindi siya nagiging honest. Ito yung nagiging rason para sa'yo na what's the point, diba? Na paniwalain mo yung sarili mo na mababago yung connection ninyo or maybe you think na itong person na to has emotions for you and you feel na may emotion siya para sa'yo pero hindi siya nagiging honest eh. So, diba, ano yung point pa para i-continue? Eh, wala namang kumbaga ang meron ka lang na pinagbabasihan is tarot. You're watching tarot readings para malaman mo ang whatsoever dito sa person na to, diba? Pero siya mismo, hindi niya masabi yung totoo or kung ano man talaga ang dapat mong isipin. And, gusto mong baguhin niya yon pero wala naman siya ginagawa para baguhin eh. Diba? So, this is you na walking away from the connection. Kasi, you feel like this is already addiction or obsession or pwedeng feeling mo hindi naman totoo. And this is the main reason para mag-focus na lang sa mga dapat mong pag-focusan sa buhay mo. Maybe yung iba sa inyo something to do with learning, pagkatuto, etc. Nakakita ko ng mga foreign people. You could be dealing with a foreigner or learning through foreign people. Pwede may mga natututunan ka dito sa mga foreigners or mga ibang lahi ngayon. Or maybe this is like a sign for you na you need to make friends or be casual with these people kasi pwede marami ka matutunan sa kanila. Ayun. So, what will happen in the future for you? For this connection, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides, for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. So, actually, nararamdaman ko yung pain mo ngayon and masakit. Actually, ayoko yung feeling. Pero wala akong choice. Nandito ako ngayon. But I can feel your emotions. It's so masakit. Sobrang sad. And you want security. You want to be more grounded. Diba? Wait lang, guys. May nararamdaman ako na energy na parang bagong gising. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw yan. Anyway. Tell me about this, please. What will happen in the near future for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo? Heart with a key. Mirror. One more card, please. You do have your sunglasses. Okay. Healing heart, separation, and heartbreak. So, ano yung gagawin regarding dito? I just want to clarify. Ano yung mga gagawin regarding dito? Doon muna tayo sa'yo. Maybe 1 to 2 cards. Okay. You do have your golden mirror. The golden mirror and photograph. How about yung person na ito? Anong gagawin niya regarding dito? You do have your abundance and paradise. Tell me more about this. Date and the snake. Okay. Mutual energy. Stay optimistic about your love life. And reconciliation. Okay. In the future, I can see you opening your heart. Maybe sa mga bago na opportunities, or maybe new people, new person sa buhay mo na dadating or whatsoever. This is you. Like, pwedeng in the future, mapapansin mo, malawak naman yung kalangitan. Kumbaga, malaki naman ang mundo. Bakit pa ako kailangan mag-focus sa isang taong wala namang pakialam? Hindi ba? Maybe this person transformed you. And in the future, nakikita natin na dahil dun sa actions na ginawa niya sa'yo, nagkikreate ito ng dahilan para mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. And you are focusing out dito sa connection na ito in the future. Maybe ngayon pa nga lang, tinatry mo ng mag-focus palayo dito sa person na ito. Especially if you are feeling a lot of confusion sa connection ninyo. Okay? Some of you, if you are in a relationship, you are pwedeng single ka na ngayon, or soon enough you will become single na. Kasi nga ito na, may nakikita tayo ditong pagtanggal mo ng focus dito sa person. You're focusing on your purpose. I can see Rahu. Right now, Rahu is like your purpose, astrology, etc. Ang person na ito will try to heal, of course. Nasaktan din siya sa relationship na ito. And I can see an obsession and addiction na nararamdaman din itong person na ito. But this separation will cause a lot of heartbreak sa person na ito, kasi parang ang laki nang nawala sa kanya. And that is you. Nararamdaman niya na malaki yung nawala sa kanya. Kasi ikaw ito na parang mas pinili mo na lang na mahalin yung sarili mo . Okay? And some of you, nakakita ko ng pag-alis sa partnership or whatever. Or maybe you have a partnership in the past. Or dapat papunta pa lang sa partnership. So, You can see reconciliation though. Um, I can see someone new na paparating sa buhay mo, no? And the golden mirror, this is you na once you focus on yourself, nakakita tayo ng mga changes sa'yo, especially physically, no? Kasi yung ginagawa mo ngayon is more on emotional healing, more on transformation sa buhay mo, sa isip mo, spiritually. So, you're focusing on yourself. So, dahil dito, you do have here the photograph, it will show, especially sa pictures, and makikita dito if something is happening or changing. Makikita yung mga changes sa'yo, actually. And you have a new beginning na naghihintay para sa'yo. New memories. I can see yung iba sa inyo magmumukha kang mas bata sa edad mo. I like that. And you deserve love. So, feeling mo itong taong ito nagpapahirap sa'yo kasi you're waiting and waiting for someone na hindi naman kayang maging open or maging totoo sa sarili nila, no? And you are releasing this person in the future. Ngayon pa nga lang, but nagko-continue yan dahil wala namang effort itong person nito. Whether this is a person, a person na kakonect mo ngayon, or a person in the past connection. You do have here paradise. This is with regards to your person na pwedeng ma-feel niya na parang mag-isa lang siya, or although you might feel like masaya siya doon kung nasaan siya with the abundance sa ngayon. You know, it's like mag-imagine ka ng isang person na nasa island, because I can see an island here and it is like a message. Meron yata yung sinakasabihan na parang no man is an island. So, imagine a person na nasa island, mag-isa siya. Puno ng, abundance is showing us money here, or mga resources niya, mga bagay sa paligid niya. Masaya siya kasi nakikita niya, meron ako ganito, ganyan. May mga makakain ako dito, may maraming tanim, maraming coconuts, etc. So, sa una, masaya. But in the future, I can see this person, marirealize niya yung mga hidden enemies niya Kasi, sa una, tingin niya doon, the island, I feel like yung island is yung situation niya, na parang, feeling niya masaya siya doon. But then, kalaunan, makikita niya yung mga hidden enemies. There are snakes in there, may mga ahas pala doon na hindi niya yun una inisip, no? May mga hindi magagandang makikita. And you do have your date, so maybe it has something to do with new people sa buhay nitong taong ito, na pwedeng makitaan niya ng mga hindi magagandang actions, or this is keys on a ring, so these are other options. So pwedeng yung mga tao sa buhay niya nung once na pagdesisyonan mong umalis at magparaya dito sa taong ito, dun niya mas makikita kung ano yung kamalian or hindi maganda doon sa mga person or mga people sa buhay niya ngayon. Okay? And what will be the action of this person here? You do have your axe. So, there's a possibility na if you're dealing with a person na may mga kakonect na iba, or may mga tao sa buhay niya ngayon, sabi ko nga, pwedeng umalis yan or magkaroon ng separation, abandonment sa kanya or sa kanila. Okay? And this is with regards to your person. Kasi nga makikita niya yung mga kamalian, yung hindi maganda doon sa situation niya. And clarify the reconciliation, please. What's with the reconciliation? Palm tree is here, and twin flame. Yeah, if you're dealing with a twin flame, there's unconditional love sa inyong dalawa. No? The cases is here. This is unconditional love, and I can read the word permanence. So, there's going to be a reconciliation sa inyong dalawa, and eto hindi to mag-a-apply sa lahat. This part, reconciliation. For some of you, yung reading nag-stop na dito sa axe. Okay? Pero, dun sa iba sa inyo, especially if you're dealing with a twin flame and palm tree, this is like your person na maghahanap siya ng ibang resources, and pwedeng this person wants to grow, and you do have your reconciliation. Yung separation ninyo sa bawat isa ay magiging dahilan or magdudulot para mas mag-focus kayo sa mga growth ninyo, and then ang tendency pwedeng there's a reconciliation between the two of you because there's unconditional love sa inyong dalawa, and hindi mo yun kayang i-deny or hindi mo yun kayang alisan or tanggalin or basta mag-move on sa connection na ito. But the last card for you is you do have your karmic relationship. This is letting go of people in your life na parang they no longer serve you. Both of you. Okay? So, maaaring ikaw din, may mga tao kang aalisin sa buhay mo. Lalo na nakuha mo na yung mga lesson na dapat mong makuha sa kanila. And you do have your wedding ring. So, this is like union between the two of you and this person. Pero, may mga tao or sitwasyon mo na kayong dapat alisan para mangyari ito. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.